Salam Alaykum, Selm Academy parents. I'm thrilled to share an exciting after school club that we, Miss Farva,
And Miss Fatima.
will be leading, and it's called Seed to Table Stemterprise Project. Picture this: your child is actively involved in growing plants, understanding the intricacies of farming, and cultivating a variety of herbs, greens, edible flowers, and greens. That's what the Seed to Table Stemterprise Project is all about.
It doesn't stop there, Miss Farva. Students will become plant experts as they learn about the ingredients for the food product that they will be developing and selling. The grains will be transformed into their very own granola bars, for which students will design their own packaging and then have a chance to sell at a farmer's market that they're going to advertise themselves and set up themselves as well.
Oh, that sounds good. So, this project is not just about academic learning, it's a hands on experience that combines science, technology, math, engineering, along with the practical skills in agriculture and entrepreneurship. And we're also covering various aspects of the Ontario curriculum. So, we're fostering teamwork, creativity, and problem solving, these skills that go beyond the classroom into the future endeavors. So, our kids would not only be consumers of tomorrow, they're going to contribute responsibly to the future of the country and will also practice sustainability.
The Seed to Table Stemterprise project kicks off on March 19th and it's going to last for 13 sessions until June 11th, 2024, culminating in a farmers market event where your child's creations will be showcased and sold, and we would love for you to attend.
Yeah, that sounds exciting. So, we believe this project will not only provide a unique learning experience, but also ignite a passion for innovation and collaboration. So, it's a chance for your child to explore, create, grow, and build personally and academically. So, we are eager to lead this extraordinary club and witness the growth of not just grains, but also herbs, greens, edible flowers, along with the potential within each student.
If you have any questions or would like to enroll your child in this club, please reach out to us at admin@selmacademy.com. Let's make this one a journey for our students to remember.
See you then.